Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be chicken noodle soup. So I'm gonna start here. We have spaghetti, we have our chicken broth, we have carrots, we have chicken bouillon, we have salt, black pepper, basil, and Italian seasoning. We have our cubed up chicken here that we use some leftover chicken. We have onions, celery leaves, and green onions. And if y'all new to the channel and seen this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all, like and comment on the video. Let's get into this video. Okay crew, so we have our chicken broth here that we're just gonna pour in the pot. Okay, that's our chicken broth. And we're gonna go in with salt, not much. Black pepper. Basil. Italian herb and seasoning. Then our chicken bouillon. So frozen chicken that's cut up. That way we have a good amount of chicken in our soup. So crew, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my chicken. And allow that flavor to build. Once it starts boiling, I get to go to the next step. I'll bring you guys back. Okay crew, so I have boiled our chicken cubes for 15 minutes on a medium high heat. Okay crew, so I'm gonna go in with all my vegetables. I went in with 1 can of carrots that was drained and the other can wasn't drained. Now I'm about to go in with our green onions. Our celery. Our onions. And our celery leaves. Next, I'm going to go in with our pre-cooked chicken that we previously cooked, that we cut up in cubes. Okay, so I'm about to give everything a good stir until everything come together, and I allow this to cook on a medium-low heat for 25 minutes. Okay crew, so I had tasted the broth and I decided to go back in with a little bit more seasoning. There I added Italian seasoning. Then I added some basil. Some more black pepper. And a little bit more salt. I also went in with some poultry seasoning to bring everything together since it's chicken noodle soup. And the queen wanted chicken noodle soup. She's been a little under the weather and she asked me to make her some, so this is what her idea. And as her man, I decided to cook exactly what my queen wanted for today. I'm just gonna get everything a good mix right here so we get all that seasoning and flavor all through the chicken broth. Okay, crew, so once I allowed everything to boil on a medium-low heat for 25 minutes, I decided to add our spaghetti noodles, and I broke the noodles into 3 pieces.
Your world is hollow, yeah, 'cause I can see it in your eyes. Oh yeah, but there is no need for sorrow, 'cause I will be with you every second of my life. Sometimes it's just another day to get through, but it's not easy when you're blind from the truth. Oh, darling, let me be your mountain, 'cause it is my call. Oh, I wanna be with you every second I got. Ooh, I got. Gonna make it alright.
Okay, crew, so I cooked our noodles for 12 minutes, then I turned the heat off and allowed it to continue to simmer additional 5 to 7 minutes. And here's a close-up right here, and I'm also going to give y'all a close-up, like always, on our chicken noodle soup. Okay, crew, here's the famous close-up of our chicken noodle soup. It's an easy process, and trust me, y'all, when you make it homemade, it's better than canned chicken noodle soup. It's better than Campbell's. It's better than Chunky Soup or whatever, whoever make it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to smash a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And when I tell you that the family loved the chicken noodle soup, they truly enjoyed it. And it was a blessing to know that, hey, you can just take simple ingredients and put it together and make an outstanding recipe. I'm also giving y'all an extra clip at the end of this, and y'all already know the saying, pops out. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Crew, when I tell you this stuff is the bomb diggity, woo! You can taste the onions, the celery, the carrots, the basil, the Italian seasoning, the bouillon, the poultry seasoning. You can taste everything. It is so freaking good. You want to tell them how it tastes, babe? She don't want to talk to y'all.
It's good, y'all. He's right. You can taste everything that he tell you. The flavor is really good. It is perfectly seasoned.